when you see B-boying in like the raw form, you don't really know what to think, but it just looks like, man, it looks like this guy's his mind is on the floor in front of you. Like you can see his literal thoughts. And sometimes you see the thoughts and they're kind of jumbled, but sometimes you see the well thought out paragraph and that person is telling you like line for line, script for script, the daily troubles and trials that we go through as human beings just trying to function in a kind of crazy society. It's like you're a dragon with the head of a lion. Jaws be like saws grind and claws whip through balls of cast iron. You know what I mean? It's like, feel like a bull almost, you know what I mean? It's like you're existing in the now all the time when you b-boy, because you're always doing the move, the beat is consistently going, and it's really the most athletic thing you can do. It's actually a very beautiful feeling, man, you know, very beautiful feeling.
UAE, are you ready for the Red Bull BC1 UAE Cypher? 2014, give it up for your B-Boy!
It's like war and peace happen at the same time. Kind of like Bruce Lee said it, probably the best. It's like being without being. It's like dreaming or whatever, thinking about whatever may come.
Let's go, B-Boy Peppa!
If people have never seen you, they're waiting for you to show them something special. in life, you're gonna have failures and you're gonna succeed. So you gotta just keep going, you know? It's all about your attitude. Attitude is gonna equal your altitude.